Hey, good morning, everybody. My name is Dave Rittenhouse. I'm part of Cruise Planners and Certainty Adventures Network. And I'm going to go through a series in the upcoming weeks about things I learned as a first time cruiser. You could call it the confessional of a first time cruiser. And one of the first things I want to talk about is, that first time cruise, the ships are massive and it's exciting, but it can be overwhelming. And here's one of the first things that I learned: pack more than you think. I thought I could get away with packing light for the cruise, but quickly learned that you need a variety of clothing for different activities. And one of the lessons I learned was the weather can change unexpectedly. And the cruise itself has many different events. So a good idea is to bring some casual clothes for poolside days, excursions, and dinner. You want dressier outfits for formal nights. Many cruise ships have a formal dinner night, and it's usually tied in with your photo night, where you go to the different photo stations and you take your pictures and you want to look nice. So, dressier outfits, comfortable shoes. Okay, how many of us want to go zip lining, go off the ship, explore? Well, comfy shoes, good quality shoes, arch support, padded soles. You want to have them with you so you don't have to worry about your feet or your knees as you're walking around or hiking. You want to have more than one swimsuit. You know, it's not fun putting on a cold, wet swimsuit when you want to go to the pool. So have a couple. That way you can hang one up in the shower while it's drying off. You've got a nice dry one that you can put on. You go out to the pool, you enjoy the sun, you lay out there and you're set. By the time you're all done, that other swimsuit probably going to be dried off and you can take it down from the shower and swap it with the one you were just wearing. A light jacket is always a good idea because when you have those sea days, it gets cold. Don't be like me walking around in a polo shirt saying, it is really cold out here, because I like to take evening walks. So pack a light jacket. And that's my first confession as a first time cruiser. Thank you for listening. Come and check out CertaintyAdventuresNetwork.com